All right, why is everyone buying this convertible folding sofa couch? It's flying off the shelves right now. Why is everyone buying it? So first and foremost, the reason everyone's buying it is because everyone's buying it. So people are seeing that this is selling over 100 units every single month, and it causes them to do a double take. Why is everyone buying this specific couch? What is it about this? There must be something to it. So they see that. But then not only are people purchasing it in droves, it's also being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. So you know when you get it, like, okay, it's not just everyone's buying it, like the people who buy it like it. Then people look at the price point and they're like, okay, this does not make any sense. That's what this? For this? That's how much this costs? It makes no sense. This should, double is still, that's insane. If you double the price of this thing, it's still insane. Triple, okay, I can start to maybe make sense out of that. Still, I'm going to be honest, it should be at least a little bit more than triple. So that's just insane right off the bat. Then you get into just the comfort level. It's the high density sponge, very soft and breathable fabric. So I'm gonna bring this up here. This is the ottoman right here, just so you can see. Soft, breathable fabric on the top. That's what it looks like right there. High density sponge, so you can see, and that's what the whole couch. Maybe differing degrees of. It's probably about this. Well, is it the same? Probably about this. Well, I guess it does vary depending on the armrest, the seat is a vibe. Actually, I think we want to do this, right? I guess it doesn't really matter. But I guess that's the bottom. So this is an ottoman. Also, actually, so what you can do with this couch is reason number 4. So I have this serving as an ottoman right now. Your dog, this serves as like a little dog area or maybe a cat area. So you can hang out with your dog on here. Obviously, also the dog and cat can come up here. The ottoman, it fits in here. So when you're done using the couch, if this is where you want to, store it, you can do that. Another thing you can do with the ottoman, as I pull it out, is it can serve as like a side table right here. Move this over here. Don't really have a lot of space here, but serves as like a side table, or you can maybe put a lamp or something, nightstand type vibe. And you've got, well, I'll show that at the end. This thing can also fold out. To fold this out, unzip it right here. It folds. You fold it out like so. And so you're good here. Just a different vibe. Here you can sit. Especially I'm here. I'm like, dude, this is a vibe right here. You could even lay down. You've got this pillow that it comes with, where it's just, dude, this is a vibe, dude. Dude, this makes no sense. The price of this just makes no sense. Yeah, let me show you this pillow up here. I'm like dumb. To me, what I'm dumbfounded the most about this is the price. Like, that's just insane. And also, it's like, dude, I've reviewed so many couches and stuff where you get them and you have to put them together. And it's like, dude, it's fine. It's just like, I prefer, dude. This is what this came in, dude. I literally just took it out of the box like 10 minutes ago. This is what it arrived in. And now it's this couch. This amazing couch that just this is it, dude. Stop your search, dude. This is the one. You can even get closer to your dog, if you got one, dude. This is the one you want.